In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this instanced mesh in Blender. Let's create a UV sphere. Type G as in George, Z as in zebra, and 1 to align the mesh's bottom with the world center. Let's move the origin to the 3D cursor. Shift Z to wireframe view, and let's go to edit mode. Type 3 to face select, and B as in Bravo to box select the top half like this. Let's delete the top faces, and go to object mode. It's about time to solidify the mesh. Let's apply the modifier, and create a new UV sphere. We need less segments and rings. Ctrl 1 to subdivide, and Shift select the half sphere mesh. Ctrl P to parent, and let's instance the second sphere on the faces of the half sphere. Select the second sphere and scale. If we subdivide the half sphere to create more faces, more instance spheres will appear. I'll add a metallic material. Press Ctrl A to make instances real, and M to put the instanced meshes into a new collection. We can delete the original sphere. I'll use cycles with sky texture. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.